Welcome to your company's very own modular video training program. Whether you are a new team member or simply wanting to refresh your knowledge on using Salesforce, you have come to the right place. Today's session will provide you with some basic information about why your company chose Salesforce, how it will benefit you, and how to navigate the homepage so you can get started using Salesforce right away. So let's get started. In today's session, you will learn why Salesforce, what's in it for you, logging into Salesforce, and navigating the Salesforce homepage. The next thing we want to know is why your company selected Salesforce. And there's some very good reasons for that. Number one, Salesforce is the leading CRM tool in the world, as recognized by Gartner, IDC, and Forrester, three of the world's leading independent research firms on IT products. It is the world's most innovative company, as recognized by Forbes over the last 3 years in a row. Salesforce is user-friendly, it's robust, full of features, it's future-proof, and it's mobile, meaning you can access it from any device, anywhere. It also has a proven track record, and ultimately, it delivers results. So what are the benefits of using Salesforce? In other words, what's in it for me? Number one, Salesforce can make you a better performer. By following best practice and helping you keep more organized, you'll be able to do a better job. You'll also be able to keep better track of your tasks and events, never forgetting to comply with a commitment again. It'll also help you improve customer follow-up, and it'll help you collaborate more effectively with your colleagues. In addition to that, Salesforce can actually make you more money. How, you ask? By helping you focus on key sales opportunities. Make sure that you're following up on every task that you've committed to, that you are adhering to your best practices, that you're closing deals quicker, that you're closing more business, and that you're winning bigger deals. This is all going to help you close quicker, faster, and more consistently. Once you are ready to log in, go to your URL search bar and type in login.salesforce.com. You will then be asked to enter your username and your password. I recommend you click on Remember Me and then click Login. Once you have logged into the Salesforce application, this is what it will look like. On the very top left, you will find your company's logo. You'll also find the search bar, which is going to be instrumental as you seek to find information in Salesforce. If I wanted to search for any data, I simply enter the keyword. In this case, I'll use the word data, and you will see that I'll find recent items like an opportunity and an account that use the word data. If the information I'm looking for does not appear in my recent items, I click search, and Salesforce will go through all the data in Salesforce and highlight the accounts and opportunities that meet that criteria. Once I have found the information I'm looking for, I simply click on it, and then I will access that specific record. On the far right, you will find the application you are working in. If you are from the marketing team, you would click on the arrow, select the marketing application, and Salesforce will take you to the right homepage. In this case, we will stick to our company's sales app. Next, you will find your objects like home, chatter, leads, accounts, contacts, opportunities, campaign, reports, and dashboards. So whatever records you are looking for, you may be able to find them through these tabs as well. You'll also be able to view your records as well as create new records. Next, we will show you the shortcut bar. The shortcut bar allows you to do things quicker. Like for instance, I can click on create new and then opportunity, and I'll be able to create an opportunity with simply one click. In addition to that, I will find my recent items, which show me records that I've been working with recently. And finally, the recycle bin, where I would be able to restore any object or record that I may have deleted unintentionally. To the right hand of the shortcut bar, you'll have your main page. In your main page, you'll be able to see your chatter feed. Simply click on show feed, and you'll be able to see information that others are sharing with you. Think of this as Facebook in your enterprise. In this case, I can see a poll. I can see here some information about my competitor's summer promotion. And I even found out that there's a new incentive of $1,500 for the first sales exec to reach their target. Once I am up to date with the information, I click on Hide Feed, and now I no longer need to see chatter. Following the chatter section, I have my dashboards. My dashboards allow me to see how I'm performing against my targets. In this case, I can see my pipeline, my sales to date, as well as my open opportunities. This is very helpful to keep me on track. In this case, I know that I have $20,000 gap. So if I close any one of these 3 opportunities, I could actually hit my target. In addition to that, I can see my pipeline. In my homepage, I can also see my calendar, where I will be able to see my scheduled meetings or even schedule meetings with other people. I'll be able to see that I have a 10:30 sales presentation regarding General Electric for the sale of 1,200 widgets. At 1 o'clock, I have a lunch with the decision maker, John Smith, from the opportunity I have with Big Data Corp. And at 4 o'clock, I have a decision maker intro meeting for Edge, which is one of my customers that I'm trying to sell 40 widgets to. In addition to this, I can see my calendar for the month, my colleagues' calendars, a list of my calendar events, and I can also see a view by day, by week, or by month. Following my calendar, I can see my tasks. In my tasks, I'll be able to see all the things that I've committed to doing today and what opportunities or accounts they are relating to. Following, I will find my items to approve. If I am a manager and a sales rep has sent me an opportunity to approve a discount, I can see it right here where I'd be able to approve it, reject it, or reassign it to a superior. As you can see in your Salesforce homepage, you have all the information you need to get started with your day. So let's do a brief recap of what we've learned today. We learned why your company chose Salesforce. We also learned why it's important for us to use Salesforce. We learned how to log into the Salesforce application, and we also learned about navigating the Salesforce homepage. Thank you for participating in today's session, and we look forward to seeing you in our next module. Here are some of the benefits of having Doble Group prepare custom video modules. 1, they are just for you. This is non-generic training that uses your branding, your best practices, and even the processes that are most relevant to your success. They are short 15 to 20-minute videos, which means that they are less intrusive, and your audience will have a higher knowledge retention rate. It will help you onboard your teams quicker, as you will not need to wait for the next training for your teams to start using Salesforce properly. You'll get everyone on the same level of proficiency, meaning everybody will be on the same page when using the application. You'll be able to save money, as you will not need to hire a trainer every time you need to train new recruits. Your best practices will be embedded in your training, meaning that we will be emphasizing those issues that are most important to your team's success. You will have higher adoption levels of the application and a much higher productivity. Finally, it'll help you maximize your investment in Salesforce. We hope you have seen the value of having your very own video training program. If you are ready, we invite you to reach out to us via email at info@doblegroup.com, call us at 877-362-5348, or simply go to our website at doblegroup.com. You'll also be able to find information in social media. We look forward to hearing from you.